with her aura. She got me wanting more. Swimming in her waters, lost up in her waters, trapped up in her aura. She got me wanting more. Staring at her features, always glad to meet you. Baby, what's your name? Ask that when I reach you. Smell that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm more of the type to roll the weed about the beaches. Leather jacket skis, match me with your joker. Paperweight princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started peeking. I would like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day. Smoke. Click. Shit. Smoke. Click. Shit. Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She gets sexy for me, only do it for me. And that's what I prefer. We get ghost, just say the word. And shorty bad, yeah, I need her. Eat her like a slice of pizza. Spend more time out with parking around the meter. Baby girl, I swear I need you, hey. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Yeah, baby, I can feed her, swam. Baby, I can feed her, swam. Baby, I can feed her, swam.
Hey y'all, so I want to do a voiceover for this part because I'm mad that I did this. So I dyed the hair on the table right. I should have dyed it on a mannequin head because it was a complete mess. Like I got dye all over the lace and it was just a mess. I mean, I got the color I wanted in the end, but I recommend y'all do this on a mannequin head. The next time I do a color video, I'm going to do it on a mannequin head. But okay, so on the very bottom of the hair, like all over the bottom of the hair, I use aquamarine. The aquamarine color, and in the clip coming up you're gonna see an empty spot where I didn't put any color. It's coming up, just wait on it right here. So here where you don't see any of the dye, I put indigo blue all right there. So as long as y'all know how I achieve the color, I don't even want to call this a tutorial. This is just like watch me do it. Because I'm not a professional, y'all. I'm gonna perfect my craft eventually, but right now, you know, I'm not a professional. But either way, I still got the color pretty much how I wanted, and I was satisfied with the color. But don't be as messy as me. Hey y'all, it's Aja Monet, and I'm coming to you all with a brief review on this hair from OMGQueen, and I'm gonna tell you all how this hair dyed and everything. But I hope y'all like the color. I think I did a good job. Y'all don't understand how many compliments I got on this hair, like in public. I got so many compliments, and I have posted it on my Instagram story. Follow me on Instagram, by the way, at Aja__. But I have posted this on my Instagram story. I always post hair on my Instagram before I actually make a review on it. So yeah, I had it on my Instagram story. Everybody was like, that hair is so cute. Where'd you get it? Da, 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 da. Yeah. So this is the box that it came in. It just says, thank you, OMGQueen, gorgeous and confident and sexy. Oh, I like that. So they gave me an elastic band, which I do actually need to attach to the wig, but this is really good because some people don't own elastic bands. Next we have two wig caps in the color dark brown. I like the dark brown ones better than like the very light ones. I like the black ones and this one because I don't know why, but when I use a light like yellowy brown one, it doesn't look right. Like the lace looks weird. I don't know. I can't be talking right now because I should have added concealer to this, but I put all my makeup away, y'all. I was just like, I don't feel like going to my makeup to but either way, when I actually have my part plucked and everything, the yellow just looks too light and it just doesn't look right. But I'm glad that they did brown because it's really universal. This hair is literally everything. This is a light Yaki. Well, let me read the specs to y'all real quick on what I got. The hair type is virgin Brazilian. Then I got a natural color, so that's just like 1B, pretty much like the universal color. The hairstyle is light Yaki. The hair length is 12 inches, so when it's not bumped like this, it's like pretty much the same length. But yeah, I bumped the ends. Then the hair density is 150% density. I did flat iron this hair, by the way, so yeah, I just flat ironed it and bumped it in. The dyeing process with this hair was literally perfect. It took the dye perfectly, it took the bleach perfectly. Like, there was no different patches of like it not taking it and it taking the color in certain spots. It, like, all of it took the color very, very evenly, so that's good. That means that it is definitely human hair. There was no like funkiness going on with it, because I've had some hair companies, no shade, but I've tried to dye some hair and it just didn't work out at all. I tried to bleach some hair and it's just been like patchy areas, but this bleached all the way through very evenly. I'm impressed, and the color turned out, it didn't turn out how I wanted. I'm still learning about dyeing hair and stuff. It didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but I'm definitely satisfied with the color. But that's on my part, if that makes sense. I wanted it to be more like, more on the blue side, but I guess this is the color that it comes out because I didn't bleach it light enough, if that makes sense. Yeah, but I still love the color. I got a lot of compliments on it. Pretty much I dyed it from a blue, a dark blue. It kind of looks black, but in the sunlight you can see it's blue, down to a green, well, down to a turquoise, but it looks like more green. Well, turquoise is green, but it's just like a very, very, very dark turquoise. I haven't had any problems with this hair, even after I bleached it, after I dyed it. It was a little dry, but literally what I do now is I just put conditioner in my hair after I wash it and put it in the microwave, and it's literally like brand new. Brand new. Like, that's my new go-to method, y'all. This hair was just dry, but I've revived wigs that I thought were just RIP in the microwave. I revived them. So if y'all want a video on how I revive my wigs and all that good stuff, like how I wash them and condition it and stuff, let me know. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say about this hair. It's just everything. I love it. You can see my hands easily flow through it. It's not tangly at all. You can definitely still feel texture in it even after I flat iron it, so that's good because it mimics African American hair when it's flat ironed, so it looks more natural. I'm gonna stop talking and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.